Hi students, welcome to my channel. Okay, I am Teacher Tan. Today we are going to review about the verb to be in simple past tense and how to make sentences using was or were. That's a very basic but very important because we use this verb a lot. Alright, so let's continue. The past tense of am is and are. Was is the past tense form of am and is. Were is the past tense form of are. We use was and were to talk about something that happened earlier, something that has already happened. Okay? We use was with I, he, she, it, and singular nouns. And we use were with you, we, they, and plural nouns. That's what you need to memorize and remember. Okay, let's have a look at some examples to understand the concepts more. Was or were in affirmative form. Affirmative is positive form. For example, I was tired after a long run. I was tired after a long run. He was born in May. He was born in May. She was hungry, so she bought a sandwich. She was hungry, so she bought a sandwich. It was cold yesterday. It was cold yesterday. The film was so boring that I fell asleep. The film was so boring that I fell asleep. My mother was in the kitchen when I came home. My mother was in the kitchen when I came home. Remember, when the subject is you, we, they, and plural nouns, then we use were. For example, you were late for work yesterday. You were late for work yesterday. We were at the cinema last night. We were at the cinema last night. They were still in bed when I found them. They were still in bed when I found them. My parents were happy because I won the first prize. My parents were happy because I won the first prize. Jen and John were angry with me last Friday. Jen and John were angry with me last Friday. The children were at the library this morning. The children were at the library this morning. Now, the negative form of was or were. For negative form, we just need to add not after was and after were. Was not can be contracted to wasn't. Was not can be contracted to wasn't. And were not can be contracted to weren't. Okay? So you can say, I wasn't a teacher 10 years ago, but now I am a teacher. I wasn't a teacher 10 years ago, but now I am a teacher. He wasn't happy yesterday because he had a lot of homework. He wasn't happy yesterday because he had a lot of homework. She wasn't on time at school once again. She wasn't on time at school once again. It wasn't expensive for me, so I bought it. It wasn't expensive for me, so I bought it. The novel wasn't available at the bookshop, so I had to buy it online. The novel wasn't available at the bookshop, so I had to buy it online. The movie wasn't as good as people say it was. The movie wasn't as good as people say it was. The weather wasn't rainy yesterday. It was sunny. The weather wasn't rainy yesterday. It was sunny. More examples. You weren't happy yesterday, but now you are happy. You weren't happy yesterday, but now you are happy. We weren't in England last week. We were in Singapore. We weren't in England last week. We were in Singapore. They weren't at work last week. They were on vacation. They weren't at work last week. They were on vacation. My parents weren't outside this morning. They were at home. My parents weren't outside this morning. They were at home. The exercises weren't difficult. They were easy. The exercises weren't difficult. They were easy. Jen and Jace weren't surprised when they heard the news. Jen and Jace weren't surprised when they heard the news. Okay, now look at question form. Okay, in this question or interrogative form, we just need to change the position of subject and verb to be. Okay, we just need to change the position of subject and verb to be. Put the past tense of the verb before the subject. Okay, put the past tense of the verb before the subject. For example, she was a famous singer in the 1990s. Was she a famous singer in the 1990s? Okay, was she a famous singer in the 1990s? So remember that we have two options of answers here. The first one is yes, she was. Or you can say no, she wasn't. More examples. Was the Baby Boss movie scary? Was the Baby Boss movie scary? No, it wasn't. Was Lee Chong-wei a good badminton player? Was Lee Chong-wei a good badminton player? Yes, he was. Were Daniel and Peter at the library this morning? Were Daniel and Peter at the library this morning? Yes, they were. Or no, they weren't. Were the Harry Potter films good? Were the Harry Potter films good? Yes, they were. Yes, they were. Were you at school yesterday morning? Were you at school yesterday morning? Yes, I was. Or you can say, no, I wasn't. When you want to get a detailed answer, not just yes or no, you must use a WH question, which allows for many possible answers. For example, where were your parents yesterday at 7 p.m.? Where were your parents yesterday at 7 p.m.? They were at the cinema. They were at the cinema. How old was your dad when you were born? How old was your dad when you were born? He was 27 years old. He was 27 years old. What time was the football match last night? What time was the football match last night? I think it was at 9 p.m. Okay? And why were you late? Why were you late? I missed the bus. Who was that on the phone? Who was that on the phone? It was Steven. How was the movie last night? How was the movie last night? It was great. I hope you can understand it and can use it correctly. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and of course, subscribe to my channel. And then till next time, happy studying. I will see you in my next video. Bye.